Hello, we are so excited that you have found Kombucha and OT. This podcast is like no other. And we hope that you enjoy this short trailer to introduce what we're trying to do. So the name, let's start with the name. What's the name, Shonda?
Kombucha and OT.
So that seems like a random, crazy name. But if you think about it, kombucha is just like OT. So kombucha is sweet tea. You add a SCOBY, it ferments, and it turns into kombucha, a better version of itself, a healthier, better version. Well, you have someone that's had a decline or an illness, you add some OT, and what do you get? You get a better version, a healthier version of themselves. So I feel like they're a match made in heaven. So I'm excited for us to use this podcast and talk about OT and kombucha, and they're both our loves.
Now let's talk a little bit about our format. What are you guys going to get in our amazing podcast of Kombucha and OT? Something a little different, I think. We're going to choose from a jar, have you send in ideas and topics and things you want to hear about, and we're going to talk about them on the fly. We seem to do best whenever we do that.
So it's a kombucha jar. We're going to shake it up with all the ideas. Hopefully you send in ideas for us. Pull it from the jar, and we don't even know what we'll be talking about until that episode. So listen in.